Hello everyone. Today we will make a calculator which can perform infinite number of expression problem. In the previous video I told you about this calculator. In the previous video we had made a two number calculator as you can see here. But now we will make a calculator that will perform infinite number of expression with plus, minus, with brackets and everything. And the mind-blowing fact is that it is a very easy code just for few lines. So now let's start with our code. So first we will write while true for a loop, then we will ask the user expression or we can write this expr, then we will ask the user for input. So we will write enter the expression or press Q to quit. So we will first type this. Okay, now we will take an if else statement. Wait a minute. Yes, if statement if expr is equal to q, well expr we should write dot strip dot lower here, then we should continue. Always remember to write this. Now if expression is equal to q in strings, so then it will say print calculator later closed, and it will then break. So now let's continue. So now we will make a try error block, try except block, sorry. Okay, so we make a try block, and then we will write a new thing here. Here is the magic part. So we will take a variable that is the result. So result is equal to eval. Now you might say, what is this eval? So let me just finish the code first. expr eval expr. So this you see is a function that evaluates anything written in a string into a result that is 2 plus 2, like an expression. So if you write a enormous expression with plus, minus and everything, so this eval will calculate it. So now I should tell you one thing, that this eval is very very dangerous. How? This is because if I write something like os.import.remove, something like that, I do not know the whole command, but if I write something other than expression, so it will execute it. If I write this command, so it will erase the OS of the computer with no warning, nothing, just closed. So this eval is very dangerous side by side. So to prevent this, we will write comma bulletins, built-ins. So you see here this. So you see this built-ins. So this built-ins is used with eval to prevent such harmful commands like import.os. So built-in functions are removed in any input through this. So always remember to use this with eval. So let's continue with our code. So then it will print the result. Okay, now let's finish our try except block. So in except, as usual, exception as e, exception as e, So then it will print invalid input, invalid input, invalid input. Then it will press E. Let's make it separate from the string, and we are done with our code. So now let's run it. So we are running. So now let's write an expression. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2 plus minus 4. So it will print minus 2, which is correct. Let me tell you. It will in this expression, it will then consider 2 minus 4, as minus plus is equal to minus. Then if we subtract, we will get 2, and then it will result to minus 2, which is correct. Now let's add brackets, like 2 plus 3 plus 9 divided by 4. Now if I add brackets here, let's see if it works. Yes, it will work, and the answer is correct. Now if let's talk about 2 plus 2, let's take a complicated expression like, so now let's take this expression. So the answer is 113. So this answer is correct. So we have made this code. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this project. Please like, share, and please subscribe. Thank you and bye.